Senator Risa Hontiveros is questioning how Joseph C. possibly went through the same process as dismissed Banban Mayor Alice Go in acquiring alleged fraudulent documents to secure Filipino citizenship. C is the chairman of Global Ferro-Nickel Holdings Incorporated and managed to join the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary Service. He was recently arrested by the Bureau of Immigration for allegedly misrepresenting his citizenship. In nakapihan sa Senado forum on Thursday, August 28, Hontiveros wonders who should be held accountable for supposedly allowing a repeat of Go's situation. Hontiveros says both the Philippine Statistics Authority and the local civil registry will be summoned to clear the issue.
Yan ay isang pangunahing tanong namin ngayon. Sino ang dapat managot? Kasi may dapat managot. Yun ba ay yung local civil registrar lamang o yun ay yung Philippine Statistical Authority? But mukhang parehong proseso ang dinaanan ni Joseph C, aka Chen Zhong-Zhen, aka Shi Zhen-Zhong, tulad ng dinaanan ni Guo Huaping.
Hontiveros warns that even the country's national security was placed at risk when C joined the PCG Auxiliary in 2018. According to a PCG document provided by Hontiveros' office, C was appointed to the service of the PCG Auxiliary Executive Squadron with the honorary rank of Auxiliary Commodore.
Di pwedeng mayat-maya nilulusutan tayo sa ating mga papeles, nilulusutan tayo sa ating mga institusyon dahil pag yan ay nangyayari, nalulusutan talaga tayo, pati sa ating pambansang soberanya. Kaya kami nag-alala kung engage ba siya sa posibleng pag-espiya dahil nalaman ng opisina ko na nakapag-miyembro pa siya sa Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary noong 2018. At hindi lamang yon, ang bilis niyang nakapasok. Itong PCG Auxiliary ay NGO. Siya po ay binuo para magbigay ng support function sa operations ng Philippine Coast Guard. Pero hindi po ito parang open door lang sa lahat. Kahit sino ay pwedeng mag-walk-in, mag-volunteer. Hindi. Heavily vetted po yung nakakapag-miyembro dito. Pero itong si Joseph C, parang ang dali lang nakapasok. Yung iba nga natin mga kababayan na gustong mag-miyembro sa PCG Auxiliary, yung iba sa kanila taon nang hinihintay bago sila matanggap sa application process na iyan. At hindi lang natanggap si Joseph C, siya pa ay nabigyan ng mataas na ranggo.
The PCG has since delisted C from the PCG Auxiliary after Hontiveros brought attention to the issue.